everyone, Tessa here. First, I want to thank the company for sending me this knife set for this unboxing and review video, so let's dive in. Here's our beautifully crafted knife block. So it comes with 6 steak knives. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see what this one is. Wow, they're nice and sharp. This looks like the 8-inch chef knife. This looks like the 8-inch carving knife. This is the 8-inch bread knife. This looks like the 3.5-inch paring knife. This looks like the 5-inch utility knife. This looks like the 5.5-inch serrated knife. And oh, we have kitchen shears. Ooh, very nice. Nice and sharp. And the sharpening rod. I'm so excited that this comes with steak knives. I inherited steak knives from my mother, and I remember those steak knives from the 70s. Yes, that's how old I am. And they're still good, but amazingly, they're still good. They're so old. But wow, brand new steak knives. Very exciting. I can't wait to use them. So there you have it. The entire set. Before I show you how well these knives perform, I should just let you know a little bit more about them. They're forged from high-carbon German stainless steel with a Rockwell hardness of 56+, making them resistant to stains and rust while remaining incredibly durable. First, I'm going to check out the paring knife, see how well it does on this tomato. Of course, tomatoes, if the knife is not sharp enough, it's really hard to make that first incision because they're, tomatoes are kind of soft, and so we'll see if this cuts right through. It's the first time I've ever using it, so we'll see how it goes. Oh my goodness. Whoa, that was incredible. And look how thin I can make these. Oh, whoa. I have never had a knife do that. Wow, that's incredible. I love it. The true test to checking out the sharpness of a knife is if it passes the paper test, then you know you've got a really great knife. So if it slices through this piece of paper, let's see how it goes. Oh yeah, no problem. Look at that. Super easy. Love it. Go again. There it is. Super sharp. Now we're going to test out the bread knife. They don't seem to be pre-sliced. It doesn't look like they are, so we're just going to go ahead and slice them open. Oh, very easy. Overall, this 15-piece kitchen knife set offers everything you need for precision cooking and effortless meal prep. Whether you're dicing, slicing, or carving, this set has you covered. Plus, it makes a fantastic gift for home chefs and cooking enthusiasts alike. And with a lifetime warranty, you can buy with confidence. Thanks for watching.